Hello, this is Stefano with Stefano Espresso Care, and I'll be showing you some basic continuity test to see if your Pavoni Professionale has some faulty component. I suppose you can start from the power supply to eliminate the cord from the equation, and you touch the prongs, and because the circuit is now completed, both sides will be beeping. You can further check the connector, which silly, but anything can happen with electricity. Then the next step is to follow one of the wire and check it, for example, to the switch. And there it goes. The switch is open, the switch is closed. Continuity going through the switch on both poles. You can further proceed following one of the switch wire to the pressure stat. Yes, the wire has continuity. The pressure stat, when in closed position, will read as well on the other post. Now we are following the electricity path and we are going to the 18 element terminal. There beeps. We want to know if the thermofuse is also connected and not tripped. We know already, but that will be the test to do on the thermofuse. Lastly, the 18 element continuity. Now, assuming that there is an interruption in the circuit, then you'll get no continuity, therefore no beeping, therefore no ohm reading. But a simple test, you read also for the ohm of the 18 element without the annoying beeping sometimes. That tells you that the 18 element is good. Further testing can be done with live voltage, and you can start reverse from the 18 element terminals. Of course, water needs to be in the boiler, and see where the electricity stops. Of course, live voltage is not suggested for people that are not comfortable operating with such. Thank you for watching.